key, insert this in here, okay, slide the metal in and lock it in place, okay. There is a safety lock in the lid, so the lid has to be closed for the machine to turn on. Okay. Then pull this handle, push it down, okay. See, okay, and not away from you, okay. And this is the emergency switch in case you say something is going wrong, anything is caught or metal, you just press this, okay. Before we do anything, like okay, which makes it hold it like this. For cleaning the metal, you start with the rougher sheet, then go with the finer ones, and then finally give it with the wire wool, okay. Facing off tool, okay. You can, in theory, you will cut the metal to process with the hacksaw. So the face is going to be rough, okay. So you're going to face off with this tool, and also to parallel turn to reduce the diameter of the any metal rods. You can use this tool. This is the knurling tool. This is used to give a pattern like this on the metal, where you can use it to have a bit of grip, and like in the knobs and handles where you need a grip, you can use this tool and make a pattern on it. And this is the grooving tool. This is used to make a groove in the metal. You know, as you see in the project, they used it for hanging the keys. And this is the parting tool. After you've done your work, like you want to cut it from the metal, actual metal rod, then you use the parting tool to part it off, okay? That's it. This is roughing tool, which is similar to the this facing off tool, but does a bit of rough work. Unlock it. Okay? And when you loosen this nut, you can tilt the angle of this tool post, okay, to get, if you want to process it like in an angle, like you want to get a bit closer and don't have this, what do you call this? I don't know. And this is, okay, see, this is the hole.
Okay.
Tool post. This is used to move the bed in an x-axis. The x-axis, this is the y-axis, and this is still the x-axis, but if you want to have a very smaller movement, you use this one, okay. This is the auto feed. You might not be using it now, we will teach you later, okay. And this is the forward and reverse gear for this bed. Nice rounded corner to make it look nice, because you're making a key holder, you can just use the file and hold it in an angle here, okay? Just push it against the. Once you don't want it for the key, then we can again parallel turn that part again. Okay, you want to practice?
Oh, now we're using the grooving tool.
Okay, now measure where you want the groove and push the tool. Where do you want it?
I think there, right? Like just
like 10 mm?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can hold it here like 10 mm away from that. I think it should be closer to the channel. It's on 0. Okay, press it, like, set it to 0. Okay, and at the moment it's 7.3. If you're happy with it, you can stop it, or if you want it further in, you can just.
Now we have to put the parting tool in and lock it in.
Steel rule.
And then
Steel rule, yeah.
Yeah, measure where you want.
Measure 30 mil.
30, right?
No.
Oh,
in,
the
on
rabbit?
the, in here.
Oh,
like,
and there.
like you see there, like you push it on. Okay. Now you start.